Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to solve the closest K values in a binary search tree problem. This is a common interview question that tests your understanding of tree traversals and data structures like heaps. Here is the challenge. We are given the root of a binary search tree, a target value which is often a floating point number, and an integer k. We need to find the k values within the tree that are numerically closest to that target. Let's look at an example. Suppose our target is 3.71 and k is 2. We look at the tree and calculate the absolute difference between each node's value and the target. In this case, 4 and 3 are the closest nodes, so we return them. Before we start coding, remember the most important property of a binary search tree. An Inorder traversal visits nodes in strictly increasing order. This means if we traverse the tree, we essentially get a sorted array. The simplest way to solve this is the naive approach. Step 1, traverse the entire tree. Step 2, store all values in a list. Step 3, sort that list based on the distance from the target and pick the top k elements. Here is what that looks like in code. It is very short, but notice the sorting step. Sorting takes n log n time. If the tree is huge, this is not the most efficient way because we process every single node. We can optimize this. Instead of keeping all n nodes, we only care about the k closest ones seen so far. We can use a max heap of size k to keep track of the closest candidates. As we traverse the tree, we calculate the difference for the current node. If our heap has fewer than k elements, we just add it. If the heap is full, we compare the current node to the worst candidate in the heap. If the current node is closer, we swap them. In Python, we can simulate a max heap using a min heap with negative values. We traverse in order. We push the negative distance and the node value. If the heap grows larger than k, we pop the element with the largest difference, keeping only the cream of the crop. This approach brings our time complexity down to n log k because each insertion into the heap takes log k time. The space complexity remains linear to store the stack and heap. This is a solid, balanced solution for an interview.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.